Hi, this is Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger, and today we're going to install a receiver hitch on my 2018 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. When I say we, I mean is you and I are going to watch my son install it with a little input from me and a little advice, which I know he appreciates, as you will soon see. The install should be about the same for all Jeep Cherokee Trailhawks from about 2014 to 2019 and perhaps beyond. This video is being made in July of 2019. Remember, the Trailhawk already has a removable plastic plate in the bumper, whereas for other models, you will need to actually cut a slot into the bumper. So be sure that you order the part for your particular Jeep. I'm installing a Mopar OEM hitch that I purchased from justforjeeps.com without an electrical trailer connection. Enough chatter, let's get to it. So what comes in the box? Well, we've got the box, and then we've got the hitch itself. And we've got a couple of triangular plates which go inside, which you'll see a little later. We've got the bolts here, good heavy-duty solid bolts. We've got the Jeep cover, which I love, and we've got the instructions. In my case, the instructions were kind of torn up, but we're not going to pay much attention to those instructions anyway. Also notice that it does say that it is an official Mopar piece of equipment, genuine parts and accessories from Mopar. We need it a little higher, so we have it set up on jack stands to make sure access is a little easier. And of course we have the front wheels blocked.
You got scratches back here or what?
Shh, don't even talk about scratches. I guess maybe there is a couple little ones. So this is the before. So the thing is that if you follow the factory instructions, you're going to be removing everything you see here in orange, plus some extra that isn't even in the shot here. However, our whole point is to show you how you can skirt those instructions and remove just the part that you see here in green, and makes it a lot easier, and you're going to like it a lot better.
It's like aluminum foil or something.
There are 4 screws attaching to the part of the bumper that we are going to remove. They are immediately behind the muffler. One was removed before I started recording. So using a short little screwdriver. It's a nice tattoo you got on the back of your hand. Anyway, using a short little screwdriver, just popping those things off one at a time. You already took out the Cherokee, I don't know what you call it,
cover?
Insert. Yeah, hitch cover, or insert. So that's just work it along, work it along. All right, there it is, off. Looking good. Okay. So while he's working on the other side, you do need to take out these 2 bolts here to get the hook out. And then
Yeah, which I would be able to do if you get out of the way.
And then I guess these bolts back here, I keep banging my head against stuff. So those two bolts back there come out, and then that one right there. All right, so one of the issues is getting this piece,
the factory
bumper out.
not the bumper, this
Or factory
where the new hitch goes
thing out. And so
it's a little higher up here. If you can
get some light,
you can see this is higher than the edge of the bumper.
Yeah.
And it pulls straight out. So the trick is,
and that's why they want you to take the bumper off in the instructions. But I think,
but yeah, we can kind of manhandle it and get it out.
Push
if you
that
push
in,
this up,
that helps bring it up. So
well,
I'm going to go work on
you got to do both sides at the same time.
Yeah, so here we go. Working together, we were able to get that part out without much difficulty at all, and without doing any damage to the plastic on the bumper there. One person could do it by themselves if they had to, but it's a lot easier with two. In the kit we bought, it sent us two new of these units right here.
Triangle.
Yeah.
Reinforce them.
But we're looking on the pieces that there. It's the same exact piece. I think it even has the same number stamp on it. So there's no reason to replace those because they fit in the same hole. So we're just going to leave those on there and put the hitch back in where it was. I know that you've already figured out that the process of putting the new receiver hitch in is just the opposite of taking the old unit out. So we've done that. We spent a little time, but it didn't take very long at all. And it is all done. And so now you get to take a look at it. I want to show you close up along here where the plastic. You'll notice that we did no damage to it in the process of only having to remove that bottom section. Now, I do not have an electrical plug in there yet, primarily because I'll only be using this receiver hitch for the time being for like bicycle racks and cargo racks, etc. And if the time ever comes that I do decide that I want to hook up a trailer electrical connection in there, if not, or not. But if and when I do, I want it done right. I want to thank Mount 27 for his video, which is what got me started on this program and whether or not I could even do it. I especially want to thank my son Eric for doing all the heavy lifting. As you saw, we were kind of figuring things out as we went, but even with that and taking the video, we still had it done in less than an hour and a half. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified. And leave me a comment about your Jeep experiences. I will be putting out more videos in the future concentrating on photography and travel, including some fun places to take your Jeep. If you don't like it, instead of giving me a thumbs down, give me a comment on how I can improve. You really can teach an old dog new tricks. Meanwhile, have a great day and let's go wheeling.